In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently send a mass email using Salesforce. So let's dive right in. Whether you're reaching out to clients, customers, or colleagues, bulk emailing can truly streamline your communication efforts. If you're new to Salesforce, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step of the process to make sure you understand it clearly. First things first, you'll want to open up Salesforce. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard, which might feel overwhelming at first, but you'll soon get used to it. When you're ready, navigate to the Contacts section. This is where you can access all the contact details saved in your Salesforce account. Depending on how your Salesforce is set up, contacts might be somewhere prominent on your dashboard. If you're having trouble finding this, you can use the search bar at the top by typing in contacts. Once you've located and clicked on contacts, you should see a list of all your existing contacts. This is essentially your address book within Salesforce, and it's the heart of your communication strategy. Now let's move on to sending that email. Look for an option that says Send Email and click on it. This will open up a new window where you can begin composing your email. It's a lot like any regular email service you've used before, but here you're harnessing the power of Salesforce to reach multiple recipients at once. In the Compose window, you can type out your email content just as you would elsewhere. But here's a tip: keep your message clear and concise, especially since you're reaching out to a larger audience. In the subject line, include something that's engaging but also relevant to the content of your email. Now, the great thing about using Salesforce is that under Recipients, you can add as many contacts as you want. Consider this as your magic wand for emailing. Simply click on Recipients and select or type in the names of everyone you want to include in this mass email. Since Salesforce is built to handle vast amounts of data, adding multiple recipients is seamless and efficient. Ensure you've double-checked your recipients because once you hit send, there's no turning back. Once you've composed your email and are satisfied with it, give everything one last look. It's always a good idea to proofread for any typos or errors. When you're confident everything is perfect, go ahead and click Send. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully sent a mass email using Salesforce, helping you connect with your contacts efficiently. So that's it. Sending a mass email in Salesforce can save you time and effort, letting you focus on what really matters in your work. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to easily keep in touch with multiple contacts without any fuss. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.